we here? We are going to do an unboxing for Miss Diaz's class today. I am so excited for her to see all the awesome books that are in here. Let's go. Okay guys, I am so excited. We have a box that Miss Diaz gets to open. I cannot wait to see what's in there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Are you gonna do a display show again?
When you open your Christmas presents, do you like do it really nice and neatly, or do you like rip into it?
Rip it.
So we should rip into it?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Are you ready?
Yeah, here is the paper. A nice yellow bin.
And it's a bin!
I like it.
Alright, are you ready? The Great American Dustbowl.
We read that.
Oh, have we read about a Dust Bowl this year? Yeah, but look at this.
It's a comic. I like comics. I might have to check that out.
This is called The Drowned City. And it's about Hurricane Katrina. And look.
Comic. It's on the back of this one.
It's by the same author.
It is?
Okay.
So if like one for probably like a book shop.
Ooh. Abuela's Reef.
Oh, it's a comic.
It's not, but it has some beautiful pictures inside of it.
I was alive. I like the dog. Oh, nobody's watching.
Zita, Spacegirl, which is also a graphic novel.
That's like a poem. What? I'm a dog man.
Are you peeking in my box? Nikki and Deja. Another Zita.
Where's this one go? The last kids on Earth.
Peeker, Peeker, the last kids on Earth.
Oh, I read that one. Yeah, I read that one. I read that one already.
A good one to have added to our library, huh?
I like the zombie. Yeah.
Like our Peeker Josiah said. Dog man.
I haven't read for a while yet.
What is the Great Barrier Reef? Ooh. Hidden Figures. Okay. So this is a true story that is of 4 black women and the Great Space Race. Ooh. I saw Maria's eyes kind of go, ooh, that sounds interesting. Guess you're gonna have to read and find out. Boys and girls, what do we say?
Thank you!
Thank you so much. Sounds like they're excited to already start picking which ones they're gonna read.
I'm gonna get the dog man. I'm gonna get the dog man. I'm really excited to check out Man Brawl in the Wild from our class library because I've read most of the Man books and I really like them. I picked Zita because it looks interesting to me and I looked through the pages and it looks interesting.
I think I pick this book because to me it looks interesting. It looks a little bit like Pokemon, but I looked through the pictures and I read a little bit and it's a kind of funny book and I like it.
I was excited about the Great American Dustbowl because I like to learn about the dust bowls, and it looks really interesting. I'm excited to read Drowned City, Hurricane Katrina in New Orleans because I like to read about like hurricanes and things that can happen in different parts of the world.
I'm excited to read this book because I can learn about like the Great Barrier Reef, about like what they eat and what they do, and I probably can find one of them.
Okay, so I'm excited to read this book because it says the true story of 4 black women in the space race, and it looks like it's about like that they'll do a race in space, and it might also be about NASA, and I want to be an astronaut when I grow up, so I thought this book was interesting, so I picked it.